So hi all, today I'm unboxing a 15.5 inches laptop bag. So this brand name is Artic Fox. So I've just seen the picture in the application. Apart from that, I don't know how it looks. So let's unbox it. So packing is very good and there is no damage in the packing. So this is a laptop bag. So this is you need to hold it like this. So the basic price of this bag is 1350 in the Amazon, but in offer I got it around 795. So this is the bill, 795. So this is the cover. So when I saw yesterday in Amazon portal, this color bag is the price is around 1350. Apart from this, there is other color bags like blue and red. So those bags price are very less. So they are giving around 750 for this same brand, but the colors are different. So I took black. I booked on day before yesterday, so I got it for 750 for black color. But now the black color price is 1350. So this is the bag. And this looks very small. This bag is very small. So it is 15.5 inch. So 15.5 inch. So this is like this. So in this we can hold a laptop. So this is the logo, Artic Fox, and there is one more design in the some orange color. And the back side there is a logo, leather logo. This MRP 1299. So in this MRP is 1299, and here also there is a logo. I guess the price is around 1250. And this big backside hanging is also so they have added a small piece of sponge, and the fitting is good. Let's open the first zip. nothing, there is no pockets in this first zip. So this complete set, this is first zip, and when we open the second zip, there are two zips given. So when we open the zip, as they mentioned, it is a laptop bag, but there is no option of this laptop holding. It's just it just look like a gym bag, or you can hold somewhere. Just look like a simple bag. And this is adjustable top. And there is an adjustable knob here for this top. So when we are using very less amount of things, so we can pull it and we can reduce it. So this is all about the bag. Hope you guys like this video. So the price I saw is around it was above 1,000 rupees. So now morning when I checked out the price, so there is three variants. So one is black, blue, and red. So red and blue are a little bit priced less than it is less than 1,000, but the black variation is more than 1,000. So if you like this, so you can go ahead and buy. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.